Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this gorgeous looking Land Rover Range Rover, available here in the Vogue SE trim and powered by a 3.0 D300 with exterior finish in lovely Santorini black metallic colour. In the front you can enjoy the benefit of full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side 21-inch alloy wheels will really stand out. In the rear, signature shaped LED taillights will offer your Vogue a distinctive look when travelling at night, with this model also benefiting from factory fitted panoramic sunroof. In the rear, a power-operated tailgate will complement the keyless entry and start, and features this lower function which can be dropped down as well, making it incredibly easy to seat or also load various items. That's even before you fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40. Passengers inside the cabin will enjoy this light oyster upholstery which really brightens up the cabin and offers seating for three as well as their very own climate control system, whilst in the front the decorative door and dash inserts will give this cabin a premium feel with fully electrically adjustable front seats. The driver can certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel operating the interactive driver display up ahead. 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment system is an absolute joy to use and features the likes of built-in satellite navigation as well as easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony and DAB digital radio reception. Additionally, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection is available, with also multicolour ambient lighting. To help you park, front and rear sensors are complemented by a rear view camera, but the lower backup screen operates the climate control system as well as the all-wheel drive function. Heated and cooled seats will come in handy all year round with easy to operate climate control functionality. Loads of cubbyhole storage can be found throughout with easy controls for the overhead sunroof as well.